Hello children, my name is Kanak Rupani. I am going to teach you English grammar lesson 6 nouns case. Consider the following sentence: Ahmed threw a ball. In the above sentence, Ahmed is the subject and it is the answer to the question who threw the ball. The rest of the sentence threw the ball is the predicate and the answer to the question what did Ahmed threw is a ball. Hence, ball is the object. In this article, let's discuss the noun case in detail. There are three noun cases: nominative case, objective case, possessive case. When a noun or a pronoun is used as the subject, it is said to be in the nominative case. To find the nominative in the sentence, put who or what before the verb. A noun is said to be in the nominative case if it is the subject of a verb. Subject here is the person or the thing who or which carries out the action of the verb in the sentence. For example, Ramisha Gupta is an intelligent girl. Rimsha Gupta is a proper noun in nominative case. Rimsha Gupta is an intelligent girl. Over here, Rimsha Gupta is a proper noun and it is the nominative case. Another example, the dog bit the boy. The dog is the subject and it is the answer to the question what bit the boy. Hence, it is to be in the nominative case. Objective case. When a noun or a pronoun is used as the object of a verb, it is said to be in the objective case. To find the object in the sentence, put whom or what before the verb and the subject. Nouns are said to be in objective cases if they are the direct object of verbs or if they are the objects of preposition. Direct object is the person or the thing upon whom or upon which the action of the verb is carried out. For example, I met your father. Your father is in objective case. The sellers sell onions. Onions is in objective case. I met your father. I is the subject and your father is in objective case. The sellers is the subject and onions is the object. Onions is in objective case. Possessive case. A noun is said to be in possessive case if it denotes possession or ownership. A noun or pronoun in the possessive case is governed by the noun that follows it. For example, Amrit's handbag is on the chair. Amrit's handbag means the bag is possessed by Amrit. The dog bit the cat's paw. The cat's paw means the paw belonging to the cat. How to form the possessive case? To form the possessive, add apostrophe plus s to the noun. If the noun is plural or already ends in s, just add an apostrophe after the s. For example, the car of John. John's car. The room of the girls. The girls' room. Now, John is singular, so we'll write John apostrophe s. The room of the girls. Girls are already plural. Over here, we'll write apostrophe s. We'll not write apostrophe s, we'll write apostrophe after girls. It means the girls' room. For names ending in s, you can either add an apostrophe plus s or just an apostrophe. Adam's umbrella. James' shop. The king's palaces. If we are to write this in plural form, then we will write the king's apostrophe palaces. Therefore, children, once again I am repeating, there are three types of cases: nominative case, objective case, possessive case. In the nominative case, subject is the person or the thing who or which carries out the action of the verb. And another objective case, when a noun or a pronoun is used as the object of a verb, it is said to be in the objective case. A noun is said to be in possessive case if it denotes possession or ownership.